Welcome back to Tech Unbox Pro, your ultimate destination for premium smartphone unboxing and flagship tech reviews. Today, we are taking a close look at the powerful and stunning Infinix 100 Pro 5G, a device that represents the next evolution of innovation and performance from Infinix. Starting with the design, the Infinix 100 Pro 5G delivers a truly premium flagship experience. The phone features a beautiful glass back with a smooth matte finish that reflects light elegantly. The slim frame and curved edges make it extremely comfortable to hold, while the perfectly aligned camera module adds a bold and professional look. This is a device that instantly feels high-end the moment you hold it. On the front, the smartphone features a stunning AMOLED display that delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and ultra-sharp clarity. The high refresh rate ensures incredibly smooth scrolling, making every interaction feel fast and fluid. Whether you are watching videos, browsing social media, or playing games, the display experience is immersive and visually impressive. Performance is where the Infinix 100 Pro 5G truly shines. Powered by a next-generation processor and advanced RAM technology, this device handles multitasking effortlessly. Apps open instantly, switching between tasks feels seamless, and gaming performance is smooth and stable. Even high-performance games run without lag, delivering a flagship-level experience. Now let's talk about the camera system, which is one of the most exciting features of this phone. The high-resolution main camera captures incredibly detailed photos with natural colors and excellent sharpness. Whether you are shooting in daylight or low light, the results are clear, vibrant, and professional. Portrait shots look stunning, and video recording delivers stable and cinematic quality. Battery performance is equally impressive. The large battery ensures all-day usage, while the ultra-fast charging technology allows the phone to recharge in a very short time. This means you spend less time charging and more time enjoying your device. Overall, the Infinix 100 Pro 5G combines premium design, powerful performance, advanced camera technology, and ultra-fast charging into one complete flagship package. It is built for users who want speed, style, and reliability in one powerful smartphone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro and turn on notifications for more premium smartphone reviews, unboxings, and exclusive tech content.